Hello guys, and welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I'll be sharing with you how I made this Nsala soup, also called the white soup. It is a soup eaten by the Igbos. I love it, so I decided to make it. So now let's make Nsala soup. So these are the ingredients we'll be needing: uziza seed, uda, pepper, grinded crayfish, a bit of chili pepper I will add, just a bit of spinach leaf. You can include it if you want, you can also exclude it, it's not important. Dry fish, salt, stock cube, and we'll be needing yam. Of course, this is the yam I froze. So my meat has been boiling for about 1 hour now. The meat I'll be using, I'm just going to throw in some slices of yam into the water to boil the yam to a soft texture. So the yam is ready. I'll be taking them out and blending them in a food processor. So the meat is soft enough. I'm just going to add my dry fish now. Adding a little bit more water to the pot. Next, I'll be adding in other ingredients like my grinded crayfish, a bit of grinded pepper. I use Cameroon pepper. Also, I'm just going to throw in a tiny bit of chili pepper, stock cube. Cover it for 5 minutes to cook. Now back to our boiled yam. I'm going to blend it with the uda and the uziza seed together. This is the consistency. Now we're going to add this paste into our soup to thicken it. It's actually a thickener. Just add accordingly. When you notice it's getting thick enough, you can stop. Anyway, depends on you. Some people like this soup thick, while some not so thick. As for me, I like it not so thick. Now cover to cook for another 5 minutes so the yam dissolves. As you can see, the yam has dissolved. It's not so thick, but it will still go thicker. I'm just adding a bit more salt to taste. I already sauteed the meat, so there's salt already. It is almost ready. I'm just going to be adding a bit of the spinach I showed you guys earlier, just like this, to garnish it. Some people don't even bother to add this. Some people can add oha leaf, depends on you. Guys, sorry about the change of lighting. The camera I was using before, battery went down, so I changed to another camera. That's why the color is like this. And this is the real color anyway, the real color of the soup I'm making. So after putting the spinach, I left it to cook for another 5 minutes and it is ready. This is actually our white soup. I might not be an expert, but this soup tasted so good. I enjoyed every bit of it. I ate it with semovita. So guys, we have come to the end of this video. I do hope you find this video helpful. Please, if you do not forget to like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel, and I will see you all in my next video. Thank you. Bye.